Today we're going to take a close look at our new walnut segmented bowl. So let's get right into the details. Welcome back to Turning Stitches. Today I'm in the kitchen and I wanted to show off one of our new maple and walnut bowls. So this bowl is designed to be basically a salad bowl, a great serving bowl. It's also decorative in your kitchen. So you can kind of see it's relatively large. It's about 11 inches in diameter. Great size for serving salad out of. We'll show you that in a moment. But one of the interesting things about this bowl is this really interesting kind of maple stripe that gives you a nice contrast between the walnut and maple. So the bowl's a natural finish. We use shellac to finish this bowl, several coats, bringing it up to this nice shine. Seals the wood very well. Gives you a really great look and a food safe finish for your kitchen. So we filled the bowl with salad so you can kind of see its size and its usefulness. We've got our large salad tongs, a big spoon here. It's very easy to mix up your salad as you need to. It's also a great size just to serve right out of. Get your serving bowls ready. So we create all these bowls and intend them to be used. But when you're finished using them, all you have to do is rinse them out very, very briefly. You can kind of see some remnant salad from the salad we had in there. Just rinse. You can take just a light little bit of dish soap. We'll wash it out really well. You can do the inside and outside. Rinse it off. Take your hand towel and dry it off, and you're ready to go. You're ready for your next use. It's very simple. They're not intended to be put in the dishwasher. I also wouldn't submerge them in water. Submerging them probably wouldn't hurt them, but it's not intended to be submerged. So the walnut bowl has a shellac finish, and there's really two reasons that we used it. One is it's a good food safe finish, and then two, it's easily repaired. So as you use it in your home, get nicks, dings, scratches, and things like that, it would be pretty easy to refinish it or touch up the finish without having to do any sanding. So certainly if you're having that issue on a bowl of ours, give us a call and we'd be happy to help walk you through the steps to get your bowl looking good as new again.